Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pemirsa Bangosari TV, kembali lagi dengan saya Mila Hajirotima di Kabar Bangosari.
Presiden Prabowo Subianto menerima Sekretaris Jenderal Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD), Mathias Cormann di Istana Merdeka, Jakarta. Pertemuan yang berlangsung pada Kamis, tanggal 28 November tahun 2024 ini membahas terkait perkembangan ekonomi Indonesia, serta proses aksesi Indonesia ke OECD. Sementara itu, Sekjen OECD Mathias Cormann mengungkapkan sejumlah pencapaian Indonesia selama beberapa dekade terakhir, termasuk dalam hal transformasi perekonomian Indonesia secara positif. Sekjen OECD berharap aksesi Indonesia ke OECD dapat membantu mewujudkan pertumbuhan ekonomi yang kuat dan inklusif, serta menuju Indonesia menjadi negara dengan perekonomian berpendapatan tinggi yang maju pada tahun 2045 sesuai dengan visi Indonesia 2045, kata Sekjen OECD.
Sustainable, resilient and inclusive economic growth, and on the pathway to Indonesia becoming an advanced high-income economy by 2045, consistent with Indonesia's vision 2045. We were able to discuss where the process of accession is at, how we can best work together in partnership, continuing to build on our long-standing collaboration and partnership to help support Indonesia be the best country it can be moving forward to the benefit of all the people of Indonesia. Thank you. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. There is no obstacle, there's just a process. So what Indonesia has expressed interest to join the OECD. The OECD Council has decided to open accession discussions with Indonesia. Now, what Indonesia has demonstrated with its request is a commitment to align with global best practice and OECD standards in order to continue to improve the performance of the Indonesian economy and continue to improve economic, social and environmental outcomes here in Indonesia. And we're now working through that process on how we can help support further positive reforms for Indonesia moving forward. Well, there's a very strong support for Indonesia's engagement in the accession process to the OECD from across the OECD membership, and indeed, last week both President Biden and the UK Prime Minister Starmer both expressed strong support in bilateral meetings they had with President Prabowo. I mean, today President Prabowo to me reconfirmed Indonesia's strong commitment to engagement in this process of accession to the OECD, and we very much look forward to working with his team to progress this process as efficiently and as effectively as possible. There is no set timetable. The process will go as quickly as possible and take as long as necessary. What is important is that the reforms that are being pursued genuinely deliver the benefits for the people of Indonesia that together we are seeking to achieve when it comes to increase incomes and living standards.
Demikianlah kabar Bangosari kali ini. Kita akan kembali di kabar Bangosari berikutnya. Saya Mila Hajirotima beserta seluruh kru kerabat kerja yang bertugas undur pamit. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.